Students, will continue with the last part of first topic of chemistry, and that is basic concepts of chemistry. Let me clear now itself that I will not take the problems. Don't get scared that teacher hasn't taken the problems, because for that you have to use a method, that is log table, and we just wait for the regular classes to start offline and I will start with the problems. Okay? So this is only the topic I have taken because it may be for your unit test or समजा if college declares any exams and all, suddenly exam college ने declare केले तर तुम्हाला portion complete व्हावं म्हणून हे ठेवलं topic. ठीक है? That's it. Students will not take up the problems because problems require offline teaching. Okay? So we'll keep the problems pending. Once the offline classes, regular classes will begin, I'll first take the problems and complete that. Okay? I'll complete this theory part. I'll only teach. Concentrate here. We will discuss this important part of the topic. That is molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass of a substance. Substance may be in the form of a solid, liquid or gas. Molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms of the element present in that molecule. I repeat, at molecular mass is the total sum of atomic masses of all the constituent atoms of elements present in that molecule. Example, तुम्हाला एक दोन तीन एक्झाम्पल्स देते हैं, डोक्यात असं फिक्स बसणार की बघा. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑक्सिजन एक्झिस्ट इन नेचर इन डायटॉमिक फॉर्म. कळतंय? ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्युलर मास कसं 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 units. 16 unified atomic mass unit. हे त्याचं युनिट आहे. So what is atomic mass of one oxygen atom? 16U. Multiply by 2 because oxygen molecule consists of 2 oxygen atoms. Total 32. Are you okay? 32 units is the molecular mass. Okay. You take water. Water consists of what? 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen forms 1 molecule of water. So what will be the molecular mass? How many atoms of hydrogen are there? 2. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1U. 1 unified atomic mass unit. Plus oxygen 16. How many atoms are there? Only 1. 1U. What is the answer? 2 plus 16. That is 18 unified atomic mass unit. ठीक है? Take the next. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Concentrate. Carbon dioxide. हाँ? The molecule of carbon dioxide. One molecule. हाँ एक molecule है carbon dioxide चा. Consists of 1 atom of carbon, 2 atoms of oxygen. So 1. What is the atomic mass of carbon? 2U plus. What about oxygen? Oxygen atomic mass of oxygen 16. How many atoms of oxygen are there? 2. So 1 into 12, which is the atomic mass of carbon, plus 2 atoms of oxygen multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Total कितना हो गया? That is 12 plus 32, that is 44 unified atomic mass units. Take some complicated. घेऊया. तुम्हाला 11th standard 10th standard आठवतं का? क्लिअर दिसतं? 10th standard मध्ये इथाइल क्लोराइड हा पार्ट शिकलेला. Students, concentrate here. How many atoms of carbon? 2. What is the atomic mass of carbon? 12 unit. Unified atomic mass unit. How many atoms of hydrogen? 5. How many? What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. Plus how many atoms of chlorine? Only 1. What is the atomic mass of chlorine? 35.5. Clear? Add kara. What do you get? 12 2s are 24 plus 5 plus 35.5. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? Come on. 24 plus 5, 29 plus 35.5. 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine. झाले किती? 9 plus 5, 14. 64.5 unified atomic mass unit. Concept clear? हे झालं molecular mass. Now you take the next concept which is called formula mass. फरक काय? Molecular mass आणि formula mass. Difference. Take a simple compound, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the formula for sodium salt, that is NaCl. But actually sodium chloride असा नसतो. If you look into the sodium chloride, जे salt crystalline powder जी तुम्ही हातात घेता and everyday life household main component sodium chloride आहे. If you look into sodium chloride crystal, each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions. मुलांना प्लस आणि अंडा घातला ना ते आयॉन झालं म्हणजे हु हॅज लॉस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि मायनस आणि वरती अंडा घातला ना ज्याने इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतलाय. भाषा कळली? हा मायनस फक्त दाखवायचं नाही. हा 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is actual structure of that crystalline powder. But when you write the formula of sodium chloride, do we write it like this? No. This is the molecular formula. With one sodium ion surrounded by 6 chloride ions. But whenever you write the formula for sodium chloride, we write it as NaCl. NaCl. ह्याला आपण formula mass म्हणतो. What is formula mass? It is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the given formula without considering the structure. Actually sodium chloride असा नसतो. हे फक्त फॉर्म्युला आहे. पण कॅल्क्युलेट करताना आपण फक्त NaCl घेतो. You never take Na plus Cl6 minus हे असं घेत नाही. That is the difference between molecular mass and formula mass. So what is formula mass? Formula mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the constituent atoms given in that formula. Example डोळ्यासमोर आहे. I'll show you how to calculate formula mass of sodium chloride. How do you calculate? How many atoms of sodium are there? 1. What is the atomic mass of sodium? If you don't know, it is 23. Chlorine, बोर्डावर already लिहिलंय 35.5. How many atoms of chlorine? Only 1. Ends the job. Total मारणार आहे 858.5 units. That is called formula mass. एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड घेऊया. Cu ह्याचं पण तेच खेळ आहे. कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर ह्याचं आहे. पण when you write the formula you write copper nitrate CuNO3 twice. Look into copper. कॉपरचा atomic mass आहे 63.5. How many atoms of copper are there? Only 1. Plus 2 whole bracket. का whole bracket? Nitrogen is also multiplied by 2. O3 is also multiplied by 2. So my 1 एक तीर में दो निशान. Common 2 bracket घेतलं. Nitrogen चा atomic mass 14 multiplied by 2. Teacher कुठून आला? Sorry, if you take nitrogen that is more than enough. N कारण ऑलरेडी 2 ने आपण मल्टिप्लाय केले. प्लस 3 into ऑक्सिजन 3 ऑक्सिजनची 3 ऑक्सिजन atomic mass is 16. Total 63.5 plus what is this? 2 into 14 plus 16 3s are 48. Are you okay? This is okay with This is 63.5 plus 48 plus 14, 62. 62 twos are. I hope you understand. 62 twos are 124. Clear? हे बघा 14 plus 48 62 झालं. 62 twos are multiply by 2 simple 124. Add करा 7 5 781.5 units. Add करा 124 plus 63 is 187.5 unified atomic mass unit. This is the formula mass. Actually structure असा नसतो, पण whenever you take the compound you take copper nitrate. That's it. Clear concept झाला एक part. आता now we will discuss mole. Concentrate. What is mole? 1 mole. ते नीट ऐकायचा. गाठ बांधलो. हे कॉन्सेप्ट्स ना 12वी 11वी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी सगळीकडे वापरले जातात. What is 1 mole? Important, very very important. 1 mole is that amount of substance which contains the same particles or atoms as present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. I'll repeat. 1 mole हे amount आहे. Amount 1 mole amount of substance containing the same amount of particles. किती particles असतात? Particles or atoms as present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. आता we will calculate. आता carbon 12 isotope is made up of atoms, particles नहीं. So we will calculate number of atoms in 12 gram of C12 isotope. कशी कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे? हाँ 1 mole is equal to 12 gram of carbon 12. बरोबर ना? 1 mole मध्ये किती पार्टिकल्स असतात? जेवढे 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 आयसोटोप मध्ये असणार 12 ग्राम. नंबर ऑफ atoms is equal to total grams divided by mass of 1 atom. Mass of C12 divided by mass of 1 atom. Mass of carbon 12 किती है? 12 grams divided by एका कार्बन 12 हे 12 ग्राम्स झालं. एका कार्बन 12 ॲटमचं किती मास असतं? 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 ग्राम. हे पण ग्राम, ये भी ग्राम. नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स किती? आंसर बसून सॉल्व करा घरी. यू गेट इट एज 6.022 10 raised to 23. कळतं? 1.66 नाही मुलांनो, इट इज 1.99 10 raised to minus 23. कार्बनचं 1.66 is of hydrogen. 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. When you divide, you get 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, which is number of atoms in 12 gram, which is equal to 1 mole. अर्थ काय? 1 mole मध्ये किती atoms असतात? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms असतात. Same atoms are present in 12 gram of कार्बन 12 आयसोटोप. कारण कार्बन 14 हा रेडिओ आहे म्हणून कार्बन 12 घ्यायचा, विच इज नॅचरली ऑकरिंग. आय विल रिपीट अगेन. परत जरा कॅसेट रिवाइंड करूया. 1 मोल इज द अमाउंट ऑफ सबस्टेंस containing the same amount of particles or atoms present in किती? 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Point number 1. 12 gram total mass divided by mass of one atom of carbon 12. हे टोटल मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 आयसोटोप 12 ग्राम्सचं किती घेतो तुम्ही 1 मोल मध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत ते कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे विच इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स प्रेझेंट इन 12 grams. Gram upon gram, 12 grams is mass of carbon. Mass of one atom of carbon 12 is कितना 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram gives you the number of atoms in carbon 12 isotope. मुलांनो असं सरळ गणित आहे टोटल मास इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ वन ॲटम मल्टिप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स. स्टुडंट्स तुमच्या शाळेचं एक्झाम्पल घ्या. टोटल वेट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स इन 10th स्टँडर्ड असं जर विचारलं टोटल वेट हा ॲव्हरेज वेट नाही टोटल वेट ऑफ स्टुडंट्स जर विचारलं तर तुम्ही काय करता एव्हरी स्टुडंटचं वेट घेता अँड यू मल्टिप्लाय. समजा वेट ऑफ ऑल द स्टुडंट्स इज सेम कारण कार्बन 12 ॲटम्स सगळं सेम. हां यू टेक द वेट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स अँड यू मल्टिप्लाय इट बाय द नंबर. यू सिट अँड ॲड ऑर व्हॉट नो यू टेक वेट ऑफ वन स्टुडंट. समजा वेट ऑफ वन स्टुडंट्स इज इक्वल टू रिमेनिंग ऑल स्टुडंट्स multiplied by number of students. Weight of one students multiplied by number of students gives you total weight of students in the class. तेच आहे total mass of carbon 12 that is 12 grams is equal to mass of one atom multiplied by number of atoms. आणि कार्बन 12 ग्रॅम कार्बन ॲटम मध्ये किती ॲटम्स असतात 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And this is 1 mole. That is the definition. म्हणजे 1 mole of substance, whenever you take 1 mole of compound, 1 mole of molecule, 1 mole of gas, 1 mole of liquid, 1 mole of solid, anything you take, it contains how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट करायची गरज नाही. ठीक आहे? Are you okay with this? हाँ 1 mole contains how many atoms? By it 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms which is equal to the atoms present in 12 grams. कारण 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 हे स्टँडर्ड पकडलं जातं आणि त्यांना रिस्पेक्टिव्हली 1 मोल आपण डिफाइन करतो. कळतंय? सो 1 मोल कंटेन्स so many atoms. Ends the story. Clear मुलांनो? रिमेनिंग पार्ट अ बिट ऑफ इट इज रिमेनिंग. आय डील विथ टुमॉरो. नाही सगळं बाउन्सर जाणार तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे. We'll continue tomorrow again. Bye for today.